Politics boiling over in a pandemic.
Why did the Prime Minister negotiate deals to put Canada at the back of the line for COVID-19 vaccines?
Will she have to stand here in April and apologize to the families of 8,000 dead Canadians?
With the opposition and some premiers painting Canada as unprepared.
We have a lot of questions to ask. When are we getting it? What are we getting?
But a much calmer picture from the experts overseeing the plan.
We expect certain vaccines to become available in early 2021. However, it's important to note that the initial supply of these vaccines will be limited.
Early in 2021 likely means January. Limited means about 6 million doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines by the end of March.
We're looking at a population of about 3 million Canadians being sort of at the beginning to be vaccinated.
But all of that depends on regulatory approval. The U.S. and Europe are tracking for December, so is Canada.
We're expecting to make a final decision on the vaccines around the same time as both the U.S. FDA and the European Medicines Agency.
And so the government is buying the freezers, syringes, and swabs to vaccinate a nation, while drug companies seek approvals and try to scale manufacturing to meet insatiable demand. There's a lot to do, a lot can go wrong, so Canada is being less definitive than other countries.
And for people that are saying specific dates, I think that's great that they've got the confidence in those numbers. But from what we're seeing, there really are a lot of moving parts.
So, David, I get the caveat, right? Lots of moving parts. We all understand that. But the bottom line is we all still want to know, when can most Canadians expect to be vaccinated?
Yeah, so everything we can say about this is conditional, right, on the approvals, on manufacturing scaling up properly, and then these delicate substances being delivered and distributed in the middle of a Canadian winter. But the overall plan is to use those initial 6 million doses for high-risk populations and essential workers, get them done first. And the idea then is as that manufacturing scales, shipments will increase throughout the spring and into the summer, and more vaccines hopefully will get approved. And if this all works out, Adrienne, the plan is that the majority of Canadians should be vaccinated by next fall, basically by this time next year.
A year. Okay. All right. David Cochran in Ottawa. Thanks, David.
You got it. Thanks.